We're stoked to show you today our WiseBond Flake Floor Epoxy. This epoxy we have available in 2 different sizes and 3 pre-tinted colors. This is going to be your base layer for your professional garage flake floor. First, you want to mix your pre-tinted part A for 20 to 30 seconds, scraping the edges and bottom of the bucket to make sure everything is homogeneous. Then, pour in your part B into the part A container, which is intentionally short-filled so that it can fit both parts. Mix these for 90 seconds, again scraping the edges and the bottom. Have your partner use a brush or small roller to work in those corners and around unmovable objects while you pour the entirety of the bucket onto the floor in wavy ribbons. Begin spreading the epoxy with your squeegee, avoiding puddling or filling your expansion joints while you're spreading. Follow this with your roller, and just like with the skip grind, roll the epoxy forward and backward, coating the floor evenly and avoiding any roller lines or edges. When applicable, don't forget the front round over, and this can be applied with a small brush or small roller. If no round over, make sure you tape off 1 inch behind where the door meets the floor. The working time of this epoxy is 30 to 40 minutes.